All right, I'm back. I had to get some gas. I ran out of gas. So, yeah, the department I got this from sent it to me with the lowest fuel mark. It was so low on gas. I was like, man, maybe I'll make it, maybe I won't. I guess I'll find out. Did not make it. So that was the last video. I will, obviously I'm gonna put a little link on the video from the last video to this video. This will be part 2. And yeah, ran out of gas. Put 2 gallons in it. So I'm just gonna go to the gas station here in a little bit and put about 20 or 30 bucks in it. But so yeah, runs and drives perfect. Just can't run on air, I guess, alone. it needs gas. So that was interesting. I haven't run out of gas in a car for, gosh, 15 years at least. So, wow, this guy's going super, super slow. So here it is, 2017 all-wheel drive V8 Dodge Charger Pursuit package. Runs and drives perfect. This is called the Street Appearance Package. Unmarked undercover vehicle, never had a spotlight, never had a push bar, never had a light bar. All tinted windows. The windshield's even tinted up there, as you can see. It's quite a significant tint on that. All right, you guys go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. You guys have a great day. Here we are in Gilchrist right here. My office is right over here. All right, you guys take it easy.